21st century is the era of biotechnology. Our country will list the bio industry as one of the 7 strategic emerging industries in the 12th Five-Year Plan. It has an important part of biotechnology. The fermentation engineering industry has become the most competitive on the market and broad prospects for industry. As the fermentation engineering services outsourcing high-tech enterprise, Zhongde Company, with its 16 years of system services outsourcing advantages, many of fermentation engineering system technology, equipment in applications, research and development, design, manufacturing, engineering support industry, quickly develop into the technology leader in the field of fermentation engineering services, and gradually build #1 of the fermentation engineering service outsourcing. Zhongde Company was established in 1997. The headquarters is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. With a strong industry surroundings and convenience transportation, the company registered capital reach RMB 50 million by the end of 2012. And our total assets reach RMB 300 million. Employing over 600 company staffs, Zhongde has 2 wholly owned companies, Qihe Technology Park and Gongdan Machine Company Limited, Shandong. Since established in 1997, Zhongde had finished incubation period, startup period, exploration period, growing period, consolidation period, these 5 3-year plan phases by the end of 2011. Zhongde starts a new phase of development period since 2012. And we will experience expansion period and duration period in the near future. So, we can realize the second 10 years plan of Zhongde from 2011 to 2020. According to the Fermentation Engineering Services Outsourcing Model Plan, summarize and promote fermentation industry, non-standard engineering, marketing 8 points, and implementing 7 steps, 8 and 7 rules. Provide final technological design, equipment manufacturing, project supporting, installation debugging, technical training, and automatic control system. Fermentation engineering non-standard technical reform solution for the fermentation industry customers, and on the basis of beer fermentation engineering services, expanded to the fermentation engineering field of alcohol, condiment, biomedicine, etc. gradually. For 16 years, Zhongde people, obedience to the idea of Zhongde Company, sincerely dedicate, created the famous brand of fermentation engineering services outsourcing industry. Companies will improve the 3 governance structure, implement the flight management structure, implement the president responsibility system under the leadership of the board of directors, business information and sales order sheet as the supreme instructions, implement the KPO, OEM, TBM, KPI full management pattern. President of team leads 10-figure running center according to the rules in the rules of seamless docking, straightening out the curing, the institutionalization of a routine operation in the management mode. Company won the National Ministry of Science and Technology, such as Ministries of National High-Tech Enterprises in Shandong Province Municipal Enterprise Technology Center, Fermentation Engineering Research Center of the honorary title. By the end of 2012, company has more than 110 various patents, more than 20 items of achievement of new and high technology, including 4 invention patents, 3 innovative products at the provincial, 14 products for government and support, with some product technology approved by the state quality inspection departments. Cooperation with the Tsinghua University, Shandong University, Shandong Provincial Academy of Medical Sciences, Shandong Light Industry Design Institute, Food Fermentation Research Institute, and other units, research and development of antimicrobial peptides, alpha high temperature, and realize 8 high-tech projects. Renmin University of China, Shandong Institute of Light Industry, and other tertiary institutions to establish a cooperative-based teaching practice space. Continue to strengthen and optimize the education of talent. Our company has invested more than RMB 2 million yuan in the past 5 years. Selection and training for more than 60 EMBA, MBA, Master of Engineering, PMP, CSO talent with the industry jury national 2, 10 senior engineers, technicians, external 9 well-known experts, technology research and development team of our graduate, and higher educated people accounted for 85%, 70% intermediate and well-titles talent, staff quality type, professional knowledge, skills and self-improvement level training is to build the talent that we bring together the combination of technology. Our company has the international brand CGET, which is registered by 8 European Union countries and Canada, as well as the self-owned brand that registered by State Administration of Trademark Registration, CGET, GD, Lutherberg, and so on. The company has won the Provincial Trustworthy Enterprise, Shandong Famous Brand, Shandong Well-Known Products, more than 50 honors and qualifications. The full implementation of ISO 9001, ISO 14000, OSAS 18000, 3 systems management, and passed by the European Union CE certification, approved by the State General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection, and Quarantine, D Class 1, Class 2, Pressure Vessel Design, Manufacturing Qualification, GC2, Pressure Piping Design, and Installation Qualification. We adopt direct selling and agency as marketing mode. Till now, 7 marketing regional headquarters governing 31 region service platforms have been set up in China. Meanwhile, 5 overseas marketing regional headquarters governing 16 outbound region service platforms are built. Over 150 marketing personnel at home and abroad form a radiation, the nationwide and global service organization and sales network. Our company has over 100 medium-large beer-oriented fermentation engineering projects every year. It also has medium-large system engineering projects at home from the top 5 breweries, including CR Snow, Qingdao Beer, Beijing Yanjing, and Anheuser-Busch InBev. We have clients throughout more than 50 foreign countries and regions in Europe, America, Asia, and Africa, in 30 provinces, cities, municipalities, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, China. The company equips the most advanced leading automatic laser cutting, automatic welding equipment, CNC lathe, milling machines, shears, milling machines, and other high-end manufacturing equipment independently researched and developed. Designed and manufactured fermentation tank, the automatic production lines, provided customers with high-quality fermentation engineering container and system equipment. Our company carry out 7 steps: fine performance operation planning, a plan, design, purchase, manufacture, project, construct and check, has a thorough after-sales service system and compliance scheme, providing the customer with a systemic integration after-sales service. Our company is building the most modern information management platform using advanced technology like networking and cloud computing. We invested over 3 million RMB in building the completely unified platform like Office Automatic Platform, ERP Enterprise Resource Management Platform, CRM Customer Management Platform, PLM Product Life Cycle Management Platform, and Cost Calculation Platform, etc. The investment is the core responsibilities of Zhongde staff, treating the employee and the society. The company takes the mission as earn foreign exchange for the country, pay taxes for the government, and solve the employment for the society. Driving labor union and league to help the needy workers, attending public benefit activities such as the social charity for suffer from the serious natural disasters, etc. Remember the past, eventful time. See the blueprint today is beautiful. Zhongde Company grasps the opportunity of prioritizing the bio industry by the Chinese government. Hence, run the fermentation engineering and technical services as major works. Thinks innovatively, 100% uses the good policy, prepares the GEM IPO. She launched the Research and Development Center and Industrial Park project planning and construction respectively in Lingang Economic Development Zone of Shandong Province, Qihe Economic Development Zone respectively. According to the second decade of development planning, company focuses on creating a serious production, technology, talent, etc. information technology strategy normalization strategy. Company establishes Zhongde Business School talent strategy to cultivate high-quality talent. And on the basis of Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, continue to increase investment in research and development, technical innovation, and actively move to the state-level Enterprise Technology Center. In the second decade of planning, company implements the strategy of the main ideas of the 1, 2, 3. Fermentation engineering at the core business around the fermentation industry and catering industry. Take the brand to join in 10,000 shops, 10 billion for the business model. Strengthen new sales channel intermediaries and market chain work as normal work throughout all aspects. Gradually get brand strategy heights on the basis of the international brand of CGET services outsourcing, innovative brasserie joining chain, Laudersfort beer culture brand. Plan and promote the realization of the strategy objectives of the 10,000 shops, 10 billion. Strong wind pushed the boat full sail in the wide sea. Wine becomes calmer facing with the waves under the wide sky. Now, since your faith, Zhongde staff are with the research innovation, marketing innovation, management innovation, Trinitarian integrated innovation philosophy, constant discover, summarize and apply industry law, actively create the first person of the fermentation engineering services outsourcing.